It was so hot in there that I went and stood on the porch and I saw you. Saw me? Where? Kenny, you'd better stop this nonsense. You know you waved at me from across the street. You know when I tried to come to you, you kept laughing and running in front of me. You know I chased you all the way down that street. Joey got a funny look on her face. But you had on different clothes. Josie's voice was getting higher with everything she said, and when she was done, she was sounding real crazy. Joey, That's it! You're through this time, mister. You don't know when to stop teasing, do you? That's it, I'm telling on you. Joey stood up and ran up the stairs screaming, Mommy! 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 I could hear Grandma Sands moving around upstairs, and she finally clumped down the steps and came into my room. Joey was hanging on her arm, still screaming. Grandma Sands must have real thin blood, because even though it was hot as a furnace in the house, she had on a big, thick nightgown and a big, thick robe. The smell of baby powder came into the room a second after she did. What on earth are y'all doing raising this much Cain this early in the morning? Joetta, honey, stop that noise. Kenny, what's wrong with this child? Joetta finally said, He's trying to scare me, Grandma Sands. He won't tell me where Mommy is. Joey kept boo-hooing like a real idiot. Kenneth, where's Willona and Daniel? Grandma Sands pulled Joey off her leg and held her shoulders, then gave her a little shake. Joetta, you stop that noise. Grandma Sands can't handle that much noise this early, sweetheart. A bell went off in my head. The wool pool had missed Joey. He wasn't having much luck at all with any of the weird Watsons. I had to go to the church to get Mama and Dad and Byron. Grandma Sands said, What are all them sirens doing? Lord, has the whole world gone mad today? Where's your Mama and Daddy? The last thing I heard was Grandma Sands yelling, Boy, if you slam that door like that again. I looked down and saw my socks flying over the Alabama mud.